I tried performing in a show for the first time ever. I'm not even really a dancer, but I started taking some classes in the fall last year. It was something that I always wanted to do because it seemed fun, but I was too shy for most of my life to try it. Now that I'm older, I realized that I wasted too much time worrying about what others thought about me instead of experiencing life the way I wanted. So here I am at 30 years old, trying new things I've never done before, and in this video, I tried performing in a show for the first time in my life. So this dance I'm learning is actually a performance project for an open house. There's like 20 of us. I've also never danced with a team before, but we're learning from this amazing teacher. Her name is Katrina, and we're all meeting every Sunday for the next couple of months to prepare. We're dancing to this Britney Spears song, and I love Britney, so I'm actually really hype about this.
I'm excited.
The sexy Britney.
Oh.
Like mom sexy Britney?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pretend Hang is like in a K-pop group and she's my bias. I'm just gonna be like,
I'll do that.
yeah.
I realized I have the best group of friends because once they found out I was dancing in a show, they immediately bought tickets. They've never really seen me dance, so this is gonna be interesting. I wanted to practice, but Beppo wanted some attention. Yeah, I know, buddy. He loves these face massages, but I had a lot of work to do, so I turned on the TV for him to distract him. I tried to practice the moves, but it just felt so awkward to me. My body just didn't really move that way, and I had such a hard time remembering the choreo. I was also so out of breath in like 10 minutes, so there's so much I have to work on. So this isn't good. My hip flexors feel so freaking tight, especially like this area. It's just so awkward because it's like in your butt, all the way in there, you can't really get it. Don't know what to do. The show is in 2 weeks and I have practice tomorrow. I just want to do really well. I already invited all of my friends and stuff like that, so obviously I want to make them proud and give them something to watch. Your friends bought tickets. You don't want to just go out there and do nothing, you know what I mean? The show must go on, so I did what I could. I also went to check with my physical therapist who's been helping me strengthen my bad knees. He said it might be soreness from working out and that I should be fine, but I should keep on stretching. So I continued practicing as usual, and time really flew by because all of a sudden there was only 1 week left before the show. So I have a small problem. Before I even decided to do this dance thing, I was invited to go on this hiking trip. I was like, okay, yeah, let's go, it'll be fun. But now the problem is I might risk injuring myself. Knock on wood, I hope I do not do that. Just got to the hotel, let me show you around. This is my hotel room, and it's one of the most beautiful cabins I've ever been in. I feel really lucky to experience stuff like this, so I never want to take it for granted. Since there was some free time before dinner, I'm just practicing while I can. I'm exhausted. I don't know why I'm spending that much energy, but my hip isn't as tight as before, so hopefully it will keep loosening up. The next morning, they delivered breakfast to my room around 7 a.m. I'm a morning person, so I was living my best life. I just love tea or coffee in the morning and just staring out the window, super peaceful and quiet. Also mentally preparing for the hike because I haven't done it in years. Just when I thought I was ready, the trail guide told a story about someone falling on this trail and my anxiety shot up. Some rocks were like 2 feet tall and then some were so small that you can easily sprain an ankle. I wanted to cry when we finally got to the top because that hike was so hard for me, but the view was beautiful. On the way back, they said it might rain, so I was praying the whole time to not get hurt. Luckily, it didn't rain until we got back. Good morning. Today is dress rehearsal day. The rehearsal is in about 3 hours and we are practicing for 5 hours today. Kind of ready because it's been a while since I've seen everyone, and honestly I think it's super important that we get together and really polish this. I was actually at my friend's birthday thing yesterday, and one of my friends was telling me like, oh, she got the ticket and she's excited to see me next week, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's actually happening. I tried dancing with my hair down and I was whipping it like it was just looking like The Grudge was dancing, so I don't want that. I think I'm gonna try a blowout look. Blowout is done, girl. It's looking so good today. I'm also gonna add some braids to make this look a little bit more interesting. That looks kind of cute, but let's try whipping my hair really quick. Not bad. I think I might go to rehearsals with this hair. Outfit time. Depending on if I can actually dance in these or not, I'm gonna have to change it up. But if I'm wearing these, let me show you what I was thinking. My cat just came upstairs. They had a Beppo. Hi, Beppo. Are you here to see mommy? I need a second opinion on this outfit, so I'm gonna go ask my fiance what he thinks. Hi, love.
Hello.
What do you think about this outfit?
What?
Do you like
You
it?
look so hot. Hey guys! Turn around.
Man, you look so good, babe. Like, everything is given.
Even though the outfit is cute, the most important part is if I can actually dance in it. I wasn't totally sure about it yet, but that's what this dress rehearsal is all about. I packed up my outfit, got a little quick bite to eat, hydrated, and I was ready to go. All right, we made it to the studio. Let's go meet my friends. Hello! Mr. Angelo. My dance besties. This is Kiana, and this is Angelo.
Hello. Ready for last rehearsal, guys?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go. How are you guys feeling? Are you guys ready?
I'm excited. I'm excited to see your
I'm anxious.
Have you guys been practicing at home?
A little bit. For most of my practice. What about you?
Same.
Same. I had the full
Yeah.
amount of people since like the first one. Like
Yeah.
the first one. So we'll see.
And
We're
I
not
feel
even
like-
getting everybody today.
And I feel like it's normal to be anxious because this is my first performance, so like I've never performed in front of everyone, so I don't know what to expect.
I'm glad we're doing this together because I don't think.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm glad you guys did it.
Having you guys definitely makes me feel a lot, more comfortable.
Hi, Katrina.
The one
Oh
and
my
only.
Katrina,
Oh my
hi.
God.
This is the director. Business. This is not how I came in. Look, my hair all frizzy. Yeah.
Live in delusion until we're done.
I like that.
I don't really know how to feel. I'm just gonna go for it. So
How do you feel?
Not great.
why?
Why?
Because like I kept messing up in some of the parts and then I changed lines. Timing's off now.
It's not your fault. You were practicing something that
Yeah. When you practice something
you've
a
been
lot
doing. Yeah.
and then she just like changes it up.
I think you did very well. I don't think you should be disappointed at all.
Group hug. You got this, guys.
I just got home and look who's on the couch. The sweetest little baby. It's a brand new day. Well, actually, it's nighttime now. I didn't get to practice or do anything like that this morning because of other things that I had to do. This week before the show, I want to work on performance, facial, and really confidence. I think that's the part that I'm probably lacking the most, but I don't know. I can't help it if it's just something that I don't have. Today, I'm practicing positive affirmations. I heard if you look at yourself in the mirror and you say stuff, it's going to really help you a lot. Word of affirmations is my love language, so yeah, let's try it. Let's say some performance related stuff because we need that boost. You are hot. We need to channel Britney, so I gotta be hot and sexy. Let's believe it. You are brave. Confident. Okay, I mean, that's not bad. It's feeling a little bit better. Let's see if that helps over the next few days. We're dancing to a Britney song, so you know the sass gotta be there. Unfortunately for me, I might have the most awkward, stiffest walk ever. No one ever says this, but walking and looking good at the same time is hard. I needed a lot of help, so I went on the internet to search around and found the catwalk on Steezy. Stand up straight, chest out, leg diagonal. Okay, walk. Let's walk. Okay, that doesn't feel right. After awkwardly trying, it felt a little bit better and I had to get more comfortable with my body. No one ever says this, but being sexy is not easy and definitely not natural for me. The next thing I wanted to work on was lines. Especially with my arms, I wanted them to look a little bit more clear and clean. It felt like I was practicing a lot, but whenever I got stressed, Beppo was always there to keep me company. This was outside without a filter. We had a lot of smog due to the Canadian wildfires. Because of this, my mom got stuck in New York during a connection flight. I had no idea she was in New York until she called me and said that she was lost and she didn't know what to do. I was so worried, so we went to go find her and then we had a meal together and then she went on her flight. It was the most spontaneous and stressful thing ever, but it was also a good break from dance. The next day was also my fiance's birthday, so we spent the whole day together. I didn't do anything to practice and I kind of felt guilty about it, but at the same time, I think rest days are really important. So a little bit of bad news, my knees hurt a little bit, so I don't think I can wear the knee-high boots that I originally wanted to wear. We're at the mall right now, and so I'm going to find sneakers. Hopefully I can find some all black shoes that are comfortable and that will match with my outfit. Last time I did the blowout and it didn't work because my hair got so big and poofy afterwards. So I figured, let's just wear my natural waves. Like, why not? Maybe half up, half down right here. I like it loose. I don't have the best head shape. So if I tie it tight, my head just looking super funny. How is this? Oh! After doing my hair, I had to try one last time to see if it'll work. And this is when I realized that not practicing 2 days in a row kind of backfired on me. I was messing up in places that I didn't mess up before. I'm actually really worried because I've been practicing all this time. Like, why is that happening now that I'm forgetting? And it's just a little bit scary because we're like coming so close to the end, and I think I just need to take that pressure off of myself. I still have 24 hours left, so yeah, let's just try to do my best and have fun tomorrow. I am very nervous. I actually had coffee this morning and I'm shaking, so I don't know if it's from nervousness or from the caffeine, maybe a little bit of both. The plan is to come in at 1 p.m. and we have a tech time, get to know the stage, get ready.
I'm nervous and excited.
Why are you nervous? You're not even in it.
Cause you be making an enemy of yourself. You be overthinking. You got this. I believe in you. Channel your inner Britney.
While I was panicking in the back, my friends were starting to arrive.
Hank's next!
I have big expectations.
As the show was starting, I knew there was nothing else I could do, so here goes nothing.
That's my fiance! Let's go!
Yeah, that's my fiance screaming. I actually don't remember what happened on stage, but I gotta say a really special thank you to Katrina for teaching us all of this. Kyle didn't text me at all, so I have no idea what he thought about it. If you're wondering what I was looking at, this is the bouquet Kyle got me.
You did amazing! How you feel?
Wow.
I didn't even know what happened to the dance. I was just watching you the whole time.
Wow, thank you. Wow, this is so nice.
You did so good, babe.
Oh, thank you guys.
You look so hot.
You guys are like my family.
No words can describe how I feel, but I'm thankful to be able to experience what the younger me was too shy to do. And I'm so grateful for my supportive friends too. There's really nothing better in this world. If there's something you want to do, don't wait like I did. Even if you waited, it's not too late. Go out there, live your best life, and I'll see you in the next episode.